Today, we're not only making an espresso martini, but a banana espresso martini. We are going to start off carefully with, nope, an ounce and a half of espresso ish, maybe just a hinty poo more. Sorry. All right, we're going to do half an ounce of Amaretto. Ooh, maybe. We're going to do half an ounce of Banana Liqueur. Ooh, maybe. I really need more pours. Half an ounce of Irish cream. Half an ounce of Vanilla Vodka. And then last but not least, a full ounce of regular vodka. Oh, I have to sneeze. Hold on. Excuse me. Okay, now that we have all of our ingredients, we are going to add ice. Oh. Add ice to our shaker tin, and then we are going to shake until it's ice cold in our hands or for about 15 to 20 seconds. All right. For this one, we did not use fresh juice, so we are not going to need our mesh strainer, just our Hawthorne. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Holy cow. We got the, what's that called? Where like water goes up over the thing. It's not
I know what you're talking about.
It's not viscosity, is it? No.
No.
Okay, sorry. I'm sorry, I'm sneezing. It's a whole thing. Okay, anywho's.
She's drunk on bananas.
I'm drunk on bananas and espresso. No cocktail is complete without a garnish. So we're going to very carefully. Ooh-wee. We're going to add our banana slice. And there we have our banana espresso martini. If you're not getting a head of foam on yours, you're doing something wrong. That's all I'm saying. Oh, you be quiet. Shush. I lost my, I'm going to take this off because as always, I'm going to give it a taste and then we're going to rate. 1 being the least best, 5 being the best. Okay. Allergies suck. Interesting. Okay. I'm not going to lie. Considering that we put an ounce and a half of espresso in here, I am a very avid coffee drinker. I don't taste any coffee, which is kind of crazy. Cameraman behind me here is crazy, doesn't like coffee. It's broken. It's okay. We're going to let it slide this one time. He tastes a ton of coffee. I don't taste any coffee. Honestly, all I'm really tasting is the Bailey's Irish Cream, and I'm really not getting any banana. Like maybe a subtle hint. So for me, sadly, I thought this was going to be one that I was really going to like, and I'm very disappointed. This is going to be my lowest ranking one so far. I'm going to have to go with like a 1.5 out of 5. It's just missing a lot of things. I think it needs, because it's banana, I think it needs to be a little bit sweeter. It needs more banana. And maybe swapping out, like I don't taste any amaretto even. Maybe swapping out the amaretto for something else. I don't know.
Back the espresso.
Okay, you just need, you're broken and you don't like coffee, so you can just be quiet, sir. Anyway, this is probably one that I'm going to play with myself. So you're going to have to watch another video because I may take this one and make it my way. So that's what I'm thinking here. Sadly, 1.5 out of 5. But if you enjoy the cocktail, like my face, Beautiful. Anywho, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what your thoughts were on this cocktail and what your rating is. Like I said, I may take this one and remake in a new video, so stay tuned for that and make sure you subscribe so that way you know. I can't wait to see you guys in the next pour. Cheers.